What up, guys? So, we're going to be taking a look at how to get a battery out of a Seiko watch and put a new battery in it. Now, a lot of times, if a watch isn't running, it just needs a new battery. So, right here, we have a pretty decent Seiko sport watch. It's not running, obviously. So we'll take a look at it. Now this type model has a screw off. Basically, you just turn that counterclockwise, but it can be tricky. The best thing to use is something that looks like this. It's called a watch wrench. Now most people don't have one of these laying around their house, so the next best thing, good old-fashioned pair of scissors. And what you do, you take your points of the scissors, and you see how that has notches cut out? So you put your points in there and kind of squeeze. So it's going to look something like that. And then you do have to put a little force into it. There it comes. Now once you get it undone, these can be pretty tight. I've had to squirt some lubricant in there several times. But we got this one. And it is easier if you take the band off, but I kind of bypassed that part. So, wow, you see how that battery looks fried or something? I'm not sure about that. So I always like to take a look. Looks like this has 2 jewels. Now, each watch takes a certain type of battery. I have quite a few different new batteries. I'm thinking that is... I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to try this Energizer. And sometimes you might want to clean off the terminals where the battery touches. But these look nice. I'm just going to go ahead and insert this new one. It's not wanting to stay in. Well, it's definitely running, but that battery is definitely not wanting to stay in as it should, and I'm not 100% sure why. I'm going to try moving that down a touch. I suppose when we put the back on, it probably holds it in place. We'll check. I think what I'm going to do is grab a good old-fashioned piece of tape. Now I'm just going to press down . how that other battery came out. I'm wondering if the back, oh shoot, kind of helps support the battery. We'll find out here in a sec. Now that is screwed on pretty tight. Wow, I guess it does. So, I guess I got it upside down. Seems to be working great. So, if you've learned anything or enjoyed video, please feel free to like video. Thanks for watching.